Is that the funniest thing ever, buddy? Haley, out of his face. You're gonna knock him over. Is that the funniest thing you've ever seen? That just makes me laugh, buddy. Why is that horse so funny?
It's climbing all over.
Whoopsie daisy. Leave him there. Just let him lay down. He's happy.